Here is another machine we have. In China, domestic markets, there are many furniture factories. They make the furniture, usually the cabinets and closets, with the chipboard, or we call it the particle board. This kind of wood board need to drill several sets of holes on it first, and then cut the big pieces into small pieces, and then drill on the sides. Then we connect them with the small tannins and metal parts together to assemble them into a big cabinet or closet. So this machine is designed for this purpose. It has a HSD 6 kilowatts spindle for cutting, and this smaller one 4.5 kilowatts for engraving. And in the middle is a drill bank. It has 9 drills. It can carry 9 different sizes of drills, so it can do the drilling work very fast. So if you're doing some work with a lot of drilling works, this machine is good for you.